Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickNode for managing hosted nodes, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the QuickNode website by typing in the URL. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address you used to register your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check that both entries are correct. If you want to stay logged in on this device, consider checking the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while the system authenticates your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your QuickNode dashboard. In the dashboard, you can view and manage your hosted nodes. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure that your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery steps. Follow the prompts sent to your email to reset your password if necessary. With successful login, you are now ready to manage your hosted nodes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.